I'm bored. Oh, camping! Mom, Dad, let's go camping. Camping? Yes, let's go camping. Please. Okay, sounds good. Wow, it's beautiful. Let's go fishing. Sounds great. Uh-huh, it's a bottle. Oh, it's a small fish.